Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to build Alliance Tower in Call of Dragons. In Call of Dragons, building an Alliance Tower is something that can only be done by players with the proper Alliance authority, such as the leader or rank officers, so regular members won't have the option to place it themselves. If you do have the required permissions, start by opening your Alliance menu, then go to the Territory section where Alliance structures are managed and look for the Alliance Tower option within the building list. Once selected, you can tap Build and place the tower on a map, usually at the edge of your existing Alliance territory, since towers are used to expand and strengthen control over nearby areas. After placing it, your Alliance will need to confirm the action and spend the required resources to begin construction. So having enough alliance funds and coordinated member support is important for it to succeed. If you don't have authority yet, the only option is to request an officer or leader to place it for you or expand a territory on your behalf. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.